And who can guess what we are going to be making? Ooh. Hey guys, so we're gonna make some coquito. And before I get started, I just wanna give thanks to the TikToker, the creator that I saw making this, and it's Louis Torrio 787. I'm gonna put him down, a link to his page. You should follow him. He's a really cool guy, very funny guy. So anyways, so we are gonna start with, we're gonna have condensed milk. We've got 2 cans of condensed milk. We've got, evaporated milk. We've got 2 cans of condensed milk. We've got 2 cans of the Coco Lopez. You can get it pretty much at any sort of Spanish store, whatever. We've got cinnamon, we've got nutmeg, and we've got some vanilla extract. And then of course, we've got our rum. We got some Ray Nephew that's going in there. Now we're gonna mix that up for probably about 2 minutes. Let it mix up real good. All we need to do is bottle it. Oh man, that looks so good. So hey guys, if you guys are familiar with my experiments or my cooking, you know this is the tasting table. And we're gonna try our coquito. Got a little water in that glass. I'll dump that out in the flowers. And it's a healthy amount here. I tell you, coquito is probably one of my favorite drinks in the world. Coquito. Definitely should make it super easy to make. All right, see you guys, bye.